What's good, YouTube? Been a while since I made a video. Maybe like 2 months or so. But it's been hot out here in Arizona, so I haven't really been working on the Can-Am. But June season is around the corner, and I have some free time, so I'm gonna be doing an oil change. But I also wanted to show you guys this package that Kemimoto sent me. So check this out. I'm gonna be installing these. I won't be showing you guys the install process just because it's pretty easy. It's just running some wires and putting a switch up front. I'd rather just show you guys the product once it's installed, and we'll both find out how it works. So it gives you some instructions. Just have to figure out where I'm gonna put the light switch. I won't be putting it to my switch panel, so it comes with its own switch here, and I believe it has a function where it changes colors. So it's pretty much the Whipless lights here, so it's like a laser almost. And we're gonna be placing it around here. I'm not too sure where I'm gonna put it. But yeah, I'm gonna get these installed. I'll do my oil change while I'm out here. So I did end up getting those lights installed. I'm just waiting for the sun to go down. I gave it a quick rinse because it was really dirty. But these are the lights right here. I have them on right now. You can kind of take a look how I mounted them. I placed them this way. I'm not too sure if I'll keep them this way. I kind of would like them behind my actual whip. I would like to run both of them actually. This is how it's gonna look from the back. I had them flip the other way, where this whole piece was that way and this was facing out this way, but I didn't like this just facing out this way, so I placed them this way, and so far I like the look. But I'll just wait till the sun goes down and we'll go out to the dirt and see how they light up. So I got the lights on. I did wanted to mention a few cool features it has. So it does come with the remote. I still have it in this little bag to keep it kind of like waterproof, and the receiver is down below, so the range seems pretty good. I don't know if you can see that little laser light through the camera, but it's not totally dark out here, and you can still see the lights. And all this is by your on and off. So you just click the on to get your different colors. And then also we have the rocker switch, which is right here. This way turns it off completely. As you can see, they're all off. This one, the middle one, activates it. It has a blue color to it, and lights are on. And to get different colors, you just click on the bottom there. So we got our blue, our green, our red, and our white, and all that by just clicking through them. And back to off. Just wanted to add that really quick. Let me turn on my flash so you guys can get a better look at the setup. And there it is on both sides. Let's go on this side. Kemimoto right there. So I'm out in the desert, no light. Look at these lights. You can kind of see the reflection there on the power lines, but it keeps going. A few different options for the color mode. I think the brightest for me is the white. And of course my camera is not gonna pick up as good as it looks. Pretty high. They're not aligned, but I guess the only way to align them is to align them when it's on. So I would have to align them while it's dark. Step back a little bit. Yeah, once I get back here, you could barely get a faint light. It's because of the lights from the headlight. Let me try and turn on my whips. They get lost right here. That's really hard to pick up. But the more dust there is, the more reflection these are gonna put out. So the only dust out here is the one while I'm riding. I think there's only me and some other guy out here on the side-by-sides, but on our typical Glamis trip, these are gonna light up really good. Right here is just with me riding out here, these go way high. So I can only imagine when there's multiple people. Go through the colors one more time. These are pretty bright. I like that they give you options. The camera doesn't pick up the color that well, but let's get back home. Here are the lights again. I'm already home and you can still see them here in front of my house. Cycle through those colors one more time. I am in the city, and I guess I gotta watch out when I have them on. There goes an airplane. I turned them off for a little bit, but those are the lights. I've seen people run them in an X pattern, so that might be what I do, because the lasers will cross each other, or the whips. But I do like them. Can't wait to have them out in Glamis. We'll for sure know with all the dust that's there how good they are. But if I can see them right now and there's no dust at home, well, there is, because I see it through the lights, but not like off-roading dust. So great product. Thank you, Kemimoto. See you guys on the next one.